Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pay with Google Pay on Amazon. So it is in quite simple procedure, and here's how you can do that. So to do that, you first of all need to open up a product that you need to pay for. So suppose this is the product I wanted to choose, so I would click on buy now. Once I clicked on buy now, what I would do is that this window will open up. Now they will ask you to select your payment method. So in here you don't have to select either pay with debit or credit card, neither net banking. You need to click on other UPI apps, and you just need to type in your UPI ID over there. So once you have typed in your UPI ID over there, they will send you and request on your Google Pay application to verify that transaction. And once you have verified it from that Google Pay application, the amount will be debited from your Google Pay. So basically that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.